Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Cathy. This is a round wall hook with a mirror embedded. Nowadays, wall hooks come in a variety of designs on the market. This kind of round hooks has been pretty popular for years. The simple circles go well in any place. Also, rounded wood creates a soft and warm feeling. I use wood and acrylic mirrors for my wall hooks. As always, they are them I had in my shop somewhere. It was one of my lists that I wanted to make for a long time, but I have put it off for a few years. And finally, I just made it for this video. Yay! Those need just a few circles. I didn't need detailed sketches for this project. So I jumped to the computer and created a file. It's important to plan at this stage which circle is going to be dug to what depth and which one had to be clean cut. I arranged the project to fit on my wooden board and cut the file with CNC. This CNC is now digging the part that the mirror will go. Then it cut the outer line precisely. The wood that I prepared for this project is 24mm thick, so the spindle runs several times on the same thread. Although its shape is simple, this CNC cut takes time. Now CNC work had done. It's time to cut acrylic mirrors. As CNC cuts controlled by computer, the acrylic mirror comes up perfectly fit to the hole. This acrylic mirror is 1mm thick, so there is a slight distortion. But as it's not a maker mirror, a little distortion looks okay for this project. The CNC cutting has finished. The next step is sanding. Smooth them one by one. The wood is pretty thick, so sanding takes a while. They are getting soft as much I put effort. Okay, and now I'm going to use this long screw here. This screw is long enough to cover the thickness of the wood. The finished hook will be installed in the wooden wall, so this screw will work okay. I was going to screw directly, but it doesn't go in well. So I made a hole with a bit and then put a screw. I did this for the rest plates as well, one by one. I'm going to attach the front and back plates. Then I will get thick and strong hooks like this. Apply the bond first and then spread widely with fingers. I should use other tools next time. And stick it on the front plate. I clamped while the bond dries. The bond dries and fix the plates while the clamp is tightened. Okay, it seems to be assembled well, without any gaps between the front and back parts. Now sand the area where the mirror will go in by hand. The sanding machine does not reach this part. That means it needs my hands. Oh, actually all the processes need my hands except CNC cutting. It's funny that I call this a CNC project despite that I use my hands only except the CNC cutting. Anyway, I'm sanding one by one with peace in my mind. Next, I will apply the finishing oil. I think it looks okay to use without oil process, but I use BioFa oil because I like the feel of finish. So I applied it with a cloth one by one. The pattern of wood comes up and looks pretty. After the oil was dry, I put a mirror inside the circle. Apply the bond and put the mirror in and press it firmly. And peel off the protective film attached to the mirror. So the biggest one has done. Oh, hi! Now I'm going to make a medium size with a gold acrylic mirror. This gold mirror doesn't have a protective film, so the surface got some scratches on it. I wiped it well with tissue, but a few scratches remained. But it's so nice. Through the gold mirror, the world looks warm and soft. I used silver and gold each for the small size. So like this, I made 4 wall hooks. This is the biggest one. I'm satisfied with the practicality of size and thickness. The medium size is unique with this gold mirror as a point. The small size are cute. It's straightforward to install them on the wall. All I have to do is drill holes with the bits and screw them in. How do you think? I like its simple and modern look. Many handmade shops sell these types of round hook. That means it would be possible to sell this kind of CNC projects if I figure out the right design and process. This is one of the reasons why playing with CNC attracts me. I'm looking for an appropriate design to sell and try to make money with them. So I'm going to keep the journey to make something beautiful and practical. If you're interested in what I'm doing, please press subscribe button and be my friend. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.